In today's video, I want to talk about manifesting like a child to see miracles form into your life. So, if you're new to the channel, my name is Tyson. This is Owning Purpose. Over here, we talk about personal growth, breaking limiting beliefs, spirituality, relationships, attachment, all this good shit, okay? So if you like any of those type of topics, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you're notified when I drop multiple videos a week. So today, I want to talk about this concept of manifesting because I just finished a meditation and it's so beautiful out here. Look at the trees and all of that. And one of the things that I came up with was children ask for anything that they want. So I have always talked about the concept lately of programming on this channel. In my Inner Child Healing playlist, I'll put it up above, I have been talking about how we are programmed practically as children to believe certain things, right? We're programmed to believe that we have to be so serious about our finances, or we have to work a job and work all these hours so we can make a living, or we have to be so serious about the way we dress and we approach ourselves in certain, areas or certain events, right? And we get all this programming and all these things told to us from mostly our parents or parental guardians or whoever is, older than you. And we forget that when it comes to manifesting, we do the same thing, right? We watch all these videos and we take all the notes and we do all the practices and we think that, damn, this must be what I have to do in order to manifest these things into our life. And the biggest thing that I've learned is that we actually don't need to always do practices to manifest things, right? So smash the like button if you're getting some value out of this so far in this video. Because if we think like children, that means that we think in an aspect of faith, okay? And I don't mean this in the religious aspect of faith. I mean this in the sense of knowing that we believe something so hard, we believe that we're worthy of it so deeply that we know that we're gonna get the shit, okay? So if you believe, for example, that you want money, right? And that is what it is that we all want to manifest at some point in time, right? Like I'm manifesting $13,000 into my life right now, right? And let's say you're in a place of you aren't employed currently, you've been applying to jobs, but you just haven't had the luck that you've wanted to have, or you haven't been able to have the opportunity. And so it gets kind of boring, you get kind of over it, you're tired and frustrated, but you just have a belief that even though I may not have this manifestation of $13,000 coming in the way of employment, I just believe that it can come to me somehow, some way. I just know it. And so we often think that when it comes to money, we have to be forcing ourselves to work a job, or we have to force ourselves to create something to make money. And we don't ever give the thought of, what if I can manifest strictly from my vibration, strictly from just the way that I feel? Now, it doesn't mean you don't stop working, or you don't stop putting out applications, or you don't stop creating things that can make income for you. But what it does mean is saying, what if I just believe that I'm so powerful in my mind, I'm so powerful mostly in my feelings and in my vibration, I have a belief that I can manifest this money. Because think about it. If you have had someone that you've wanted to manifest, a lover, a crush, an ex maybe, or maybe it was a job or an interview or someone you wanted to be connected with for your network or business or whatever. And let's say you've gotten those phone calls, you've gotten those emails, like just because you just let it go, you surrendered. Why don't we apply the same thing to money? Why don't we apply the same thing to anything that we want in life, not just money? Right? If we've been able to have these synchronicities or these experiences letting us know that we are worthy of these things, and we've seen these things come into fruition, we almost need to act like children, right? Comment down below, I am going to manifest like a child. Because when a child asks for something for Christmas, they know that they're going to get it, right? They will ask over and over and over again, but at some point, they'll just stop asking and they'll just know. They just wake up on that Christmas day knowing, right? Same thing with their birthday. They know that they're going to get something, right? So here's where the miracles start to happen. When we know that we are worthy of receiving a specific manifestation, and we can be and ask just like a child does. Like, universe, this is what I want. Like, this is what it is that I am feeling in my body. I know that I'm worthy of it. And I'm allowing myself to not have to have it from, you know, doing these specific practices all the time, or working so hard and burning myself out, or not even burning yourself out, just this concept of I have to work so hard just to get this thing, right? When really, if we think about manifesting through our feelings and manifesting through just being in a good vibe to be open and allow that to happen, that's how we act like children. All children do is ask for what they want and get so excited about getting what it is that they want in that moment that that shit actually ends up manifesting in their reality, okay? They end up getting that. So as we get older, we have to realize the question that I want you to think to yourself right now, and I asked myself this earlier before I started filming, is what programs or belief systems do we still hold in our vibration or in our minds that are not allowing us to think like children, that are not allowing us to manifest with ease? Because you see, like, the universe loves us, right? Like Source loves us, like our angels love us, or my gods is what I say sometimes, love us. And we are not here to suffer. We're not here to look at one person and say, well, why are they manifesting all these things? And it seems like I have these really strong beliefs, but it doesn't seem like it's working yet. No. Be happy for people who manifest other things. It's completely normal to be a human. Like, allow yourself to be like, damn, you know, I'm not hating on this person, but I still, you know, it's like, come on now. Like, you know, I've been going through this too for a little bit. But, you know, at the same time, we have to, again, remember that you are deserving of this. And the minute that you start thinking like a child, the minute that you start allowing yourself to let go of things and just play in the grass, so to say, you will start to see things manifest into your life. You just have to learn to think like a child. Watch a child this week, okay? Go to the park, all right? Go to your cousin's house, do whatever it is you got to do to see a toddler. Not in that way, like don't do crazy shit. But, you know, go to the park. Really watch children play. Watch a child play with his toys. Watch him ask his mom, his dad, whoever is with him for something, and watch him go and play with someone else, and then the mom come and give it to him. Like, if you observe kids, you will realize that these children, they'll get whatever the hell they want. It's not because they're begging and they're being bad kids. It's because children do have a thought process that is I'm deserving of everything. And I can have whatever it is I want. And even when they don't get what it is that they want, they go find something else that they really want. So even if you want to manifest something, let's say it's love, for instance, and you're like, oh, I want love, da, 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 and then you realize, I want love, but not from a romantic aspect. I've actually discovered that I really want love with friendships. I really want to feel appreciated at my job. You see what I'm saying? And the only reason how I'm saying that is because we know that if we experience saying that, oh, I want love with this person, or I want to date this person, and you go out on a date with the person and the experience is, it's not really what I wanted, that's okay. Children do the same thing. When they pick up one toy and they're like, oh, okay, I experienced with this toy, I don't really want the toy anymore, I'm gonna go to the next toy, I'm much more happy with this toy, right? Or sometimes if there's a bunch of kids in the corner, one kid will have a present, they'll throw their own present away and go hang out with the other kid and enjoy the other kid's present and then want his present. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's just he just wants something else. He thought he wanted one thing and now he wants something else. So if you got some value out of this video today, make sure you smash the like button, drop a comment down below. What did you learn from this video? Are you learning to manifest like a child? Okay, or drop any thoughts, any topics. I always take topics from you guys and turn them into videos like I've done with this one. So if you love personal growth, breaking limiting beliefs, spirituality, love and relationships, breaking from attachments, whatever it is, please make sure, number one, you check out the playlists that are up above. I have a relationship playlist in the cards. I also have my inner child healing playlist in the cards and a couple other videos about manifestation and things of that nature. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and just vibe with the kid, okay? I post videos literally multiple times a week, all right? I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep continuing to know that you're worthy of manifestation, and I pray that this video blessed you. Share it with someone if you know that they need this, all right? Peace.